I'm the Alloy Geek, and in this video, we're gonna unbox the SciAps X550 Handheld XRF Analyzer. So let's get into it and see what this baby comes with. First of all, there you get the X550 itself. This is where all your money is. This is the unit that's gonna perform for you in the field. Really sleek looking unit with lots of features that we'll talk about at a later time. So first of all, you've got that. Second of all, you've got usually 2 batteries that come with it. So you got 2 batteries, they're rechargeable and they're hot swappable. So that means when they're in the analyzer, you can just take one out, put the other one in, and you're ready to go. You don't even have to power cycle the unit. So you can do that as well. All right, so we've got a power cable here. Now this power cable plugs both into the unit and into the battery charger, which also comes with it. It looks like a mushroom and it just sits on top of the battery. So if you were gonna recharge this, there's a little keyway there and you just do that and plug this into the wall. So that's how the battery and the battery charger work. Now, if you have 2 batteries, I would recommend always keeping one in the battery charger. If you have a very large facility and you have multiple users or maybe multiple X550s, come talk to me. Let's get you a couple extra batteries. It really helps when there's a lot of people, a lot of hands doing that. So there's also a wrist strap that comes with it that just clips right onto this little tab here. And it's actually really comfortable. It's a photographer style wrist strap, but it's actually a lot better to use than a lot of wrist straps you get that are kind of generic. So with your X550, you're gonna get a standardization sample. It's gonna look like this. It comes in a little bag. And SciAps is known for their sleek designs, and man, they did it again. So this one, the sample goes right on the front like that. It's got a little keychain on the back, so you could clip it maybe to like your wrist strap or something and always have it with you. So it's really easy to bring along. There's a USB drive that lets you get your data, talk to the unit, maybe update things, stuff like that. There are some spare windows. These, there's actually have a video on how to change the window on the SciAps X50, so go check that out. I'll link that here. Lastly, there is a SciAps flash drive that comes with it. Now this is gonna have like the profile builder software, probably a calibration certificate and a manual that come with your analyzer. So that's what comes with the package. Of course, if you purchase additional calibrations that are in the device itself, they're actually going to be loaded right onto your X550, and there's generally not a whole lot else that comes with it other than that. However, if you do have things like exotic applications like lead paint or RoHS or other types of modes, they may come with additional accessories to support those applications. So that's it. That's what comes with the SciAps X550. Thanks for watching. We'll use this baby in another video.